Here is the app called UHM Mortgage. So just tap Get to install it, double click to install, and yeah, here you have it. Manage your mortgage anytime, anywhere with UHM Mortgage mobile app. My loan section allows you to check your loan balance. My home section provides details about your estimated property value and potential equity if available in your area. My neighborhood section provides neighborhood activity, including comparable sales and recent census data. So then, yeah, then you can just open it up, and yeah, then you can just register or log in. So just tap register. To register, you have your last name, SSN, date of birth, email address, and yeah. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Or you can just log in with your username, password. This app doesn't have that many ratings, as you can see, so I would really suggest you to be quite careful when you're using it, or just double check, if you need to use it, or like from the official, body who recommend you to use it. As you can see, it only has 17 ratings in US. So yeah, it's a bit too low. So yeah.